Hello, this is Tom again on behalf of my partner Sasa and our next video regarding SendLane. And before we go into the specifics and start looking at the dashboard and landing pages, what have you, for this email marketing platform, there are some really cool features on the home page before you sign up too that you may even want to check out. Also, I forgot to go over in the last video because if you go under here under Content Hub. There's a ton of information under the blog. There's tutorials that answer a lot of questions on how things work and how things flow in here. There's a lot of information to share, but there's also a really cool white paper in here that gives you a lot of great information and content about email marketing itself, how this platform can help you with your email marketing success, and a lot of the main strategies that these top marketers are who created this platform, what they use in order to drive traffic and ultimately a lot of profits. I mean, they've generated literally millions of dollars online. So all that's in there for you to check out and to look at even before you sign up. So you kind of have an idea of what the platform looks like. So anyway, we're going to go back into our main page. We're going to go ahead and log in and get into our dashboard area so that we can kind of look into the nuts and bolts of this thing. And we discussed a little bit earlier about the value of building an email list, why it's important to capture your customer's name and email information so that you can continually market future products and build new campaigns to them. Continue to build your list, which is your number one asset and your number one priority as a business owner. Because if you can't continuously build your list as you're moving forward online, your business isn't going to last very long, and you're not going to have anything that you can get for it later on. So what the best way obviously now still is to have an effective lead capture system. And SendLane obviously has all the tools and all the resources you're going to need for your list building efforts. And one of the first things you're going to end up doing is creating a landing page and also building a list and an autoresponder. But we're going to look at the landing page section here because the landing page templates that are available here are really cool. They're very eye-catching. They're simple, effective. There's they're attractive and fit multiple niches in this platform. So something with the ReddLab course that we're doing. I mean, we can build a fairly simple landing page that's going to do the job in your campaigns and capture emails and all the traffic that's coming in to see what you have to offer, and once they view your content and you drive them back to a landing page, they're going to be a lot more open to opt in. So some of these get really fancy. You may want to keep them as simple as possible. So we're going to check one out and look at how it can be modified to fit your needs. So right here, for instance, we can go ahead and select that. You can preview it first. You're going to do a page name. So let's do, for our purposes here, just ReddLab 1. And then here you have your drag and drop platform. Right then and there, you see that everything on this lead page or this lead capture page is fully editable, including, of course, the headline, the fonts, the font colors, the size of them. Everything in here is completely drag and drop editable. So it's a real simple process to customize it to fit your needs and exactly how you want it, including background images. All that in here is drag and drop. And then you see your blocks and your categories over here. You may want to add an image. It's something you can do. You can drag that over here. Move it around your page a little bit, whatever order you want to put it in. All those things are available, and if you don't like it, of course, then it's real simple to remove it and go There's a little trash can up there to delete it. You can do things, you know, add videos. It's totally drag and drop. Okay. You can do a video there under your headline, and then you got your sub headline, and then you have your email entry point there. So anything you want to do, change the buttons, the background, you know, very simple here. Your settings you can go into, which you know, has more advanced information from your SEO, redirect links, things of that nature. But you can see this is a fairly simple drag and drop process that you can get through for building your lead capture page fairly quickly. And I wouldn't spend a whole lot of time in here fussing over you know, colors and things like that. You may, as you move forward, want to do split testing. You may want to, you know, have two different lead capture pages fairly similar, and then maybe change just one item at a time so that you can, you know, compare which ones are converting better for you. But to get things going and get them rolling, find a simple page, a simple template in SendLane. Change it to fit your needs, what you want it to say, and then get it live, get it out there so that you can start promoting it and driving traffic to it, and hopefully getting some more customers coming your way. So once you've made the edits to your page and you like how it looks, I mean, obviously this isn't one I'm going to publish because it has the general lorem ipsum text on here that needs to be completely modified, but just for time purposes and seeing how the platform works, you want to make sure that you come down to the very bottom and you click save, and you may or may not want to publish it at this point. You're going to want to take it over and look it over and stuff, but go ahead and save it, and then what you can do is you know, exit out of here, get back to your dashboard, and then you come over here to landing pages, and you see I was kind of you know, playing in my account and creating some pages, and that's where this one is found at. So once you click on your landing page, you're going to have an option to either have you know, SendLane host it for you, which is, you know, free for you, or you can host it on your own server as well. That's an option for you, and then there's a link, your link here, so that's your link that you can use for posting and publishing wherever you want to where you want to publish for your campaign. So that's all right in there. And of course, if you want to click your page down here, it'll allow you to do that. And there you see the page as it would look if it was live on the internet. So that's the option there. Now, of course, when you have a landing page, of course, you have to have a list that connects with it. So on the dashboard as well, on the SendLane dashboard, you have a list, your list options here. And your list is, I did one just for demonstration purposes earlier. I created a list called ReddLab. Of course, it's brand new. There's no subscribers yet, but you would go in and create a list. And that's what when you do collect your email subscribers through your landing page, it's going to go towards the list that you have built in here in this platform. And then, of course, with that list as well, you're going to have an ongoing email campaign with, you're going to communicate with that list through various series of emails, which you would go down through integrations and create an autoresponder. This would allow you to have use your autoresponder to connect with your contacts in your email opt-in, so that you can, you know, continue to educate them, provide value, and of course market to them with you know, new services, courses, and things that fit into your niche. So the automations, actually, I apologize, I was in integrations. That's under automation. So when you go to automations, that's where you connect your email autoresponder to where you can build an email campaign for your list and continue to, you know, like I said, to educate and create value. So you create your autoresponder automation. In this situation, there's different categories. Once again, there's so many different different ways in here to connect with your lists and your contacts, all the way from basic marketing functionalities, basic list building, all the way through webinar registrations, retargeting, remarketing, all kinds of things, features in here that this very robust platform lets you do. So for your purposes, as you're just starting out, you probably be under all and then click on this welcome new subscribers basic. So that will allow you to set up a workflow, and there's my list. I created a ReddLab list, and then you click next, and then here's your workflow, which will allow you to build, and this is their basic automation. So you would create a series of emails. First one you want to have on day 0, or as soon as they opt in, kind of a welcome email, and give them some general information about yourself. So you can create those here, and then of course you're going to want to have an email series that continues to market and provide value to your list. So I hope this video gave you a good explanation on some more functionality of how SendLane works, how to build lists, how to build an opt-in page, and to begin your basic marketing purposes here. It's going to allow you to get profitable. So appreciate you checking in, and we'll see you in the next video.